Okay, right, I can extend this just a little bit, even down here, faint, ne? There you go, faint, even here you go, faint. Why? Because we are told due to this it should be connected to this one like this, and even up here connected to this one. Let me show you. So you can still go to this one. This thickness, it seems to be a little bit bigger than this one, you understand? So this is, it would be going straight like this, then from there, you understand? So it, from there it should be now connected to that one. Same applies to here, even down here. This thickness, this one and this one is not the same as this one, you understand? So this one goes straight like this as a faint line, and then now it should be now connected to this one. Let me show you how do you do it. So you can have a faint line that's going to behave like this, faint, even up here, faint line, you understand? So now I can have this one that's going to be like this, understand? Then remember that on this upper part is going to be solid. So like this we go. But down here is going to be in hidden. You understand? Then to this one. Hidden details like this. So this hidden, they can go up now. This thing of not having a hard copy, it's a problem. And then if you look again, this one, it doesn't go straight up, understand? Doesn't go straight up, so which means it's fine like this. It's not straight up till with this one, you understand? So again, this is item 1, there it goes, isn't it? So from here till here, which means we are having a straight vertical line, which means here we are fine, you understand? But from here till here it should be dark, isn't it? The bottom part, it should be faint. So we can construct it dark now like this. Then from there, let's see the hole. What is the diameter of the hole? The diameter of the hole is going to be from here till here is diameter, which is item 3. You see, because this is item 3, the outside diameter of item 3 is diameter 48. Diameter 48. From here till there is diameter 48, whereas from here till here is diameter 54. You understand? So we are going to say 48 divided by 2. I'm getting 24 millimeter. Then I come here, 24 is my 24. I mark it 0 and mark it 48, 49, 48, which is this one, isn't it? Then what is up here? The set is 50. 54, which is 54 divided by 2, 27. So I can put it at 27, 25, 26, 27. I mark it 0 and I mark it 55, 54. There it is. You understand? Then from there, without favor, this one I'll have it solid like this, whereas the bottom part in hidden. Like this. Then again, we are going to have holes here. What is left now, we are, because the item 6 was grooving through your item 1, isn't it? So we are going to have hole of diameter 10, isn't it? So to get their centers first, we are told this is the center, 100 PCD, 100 millimeter PCD, pitch circular diameter, and that pitch circular diameter is the center, you understand? So which means we are going to say a 50 this side and 50 this side. So there is your 0, and 100 millimeter is right here, and it's giving us what? The center. Like this. Then from there, we are told that it is diameter 10 millimeter, isn't it? So I will put it at 5 and mark at 10 here and 0, so that from here till here is 10 millimeter. So I come this side and do the same thing. Can do it anyway, even here still one and the same thing, 0 and 10. This is it. Now I can have hidden details this side, the bottom part of it in hidden, and the upper part is going to be solid now. So yeah, dark and dark. Remember that the question was like a flange item 1 showing the following views: a half sectional front view of item 1, front view of item 1 with the top half in sectioning, with the top half in sectioning. Anyway, I don't know where can you see that, with the top half in sectioning, you understand, of item 1. So now you can section here now. So remember, using 45 degrees at an angle 45, equally spaced. You can now section here. There you go. There you go. So that's how you go about it. So the bottom part, it's an outside view. It's supposed to remain as an outside view, whereas the upper part is going to be in sectioning. Yes, is going to be in sectioning. So that's how you go about it. Let us look at number 2. Number 2, they are saying a flange, which is item 2, showing the following views: a half sectional front view with the top half in sectioning as well, and a left view of it. A left view of it. Okay, item 2, which is which one? Item 2. There is your item 2. This is item 2, eh? So it's simple then, because you'll be tracing item 2 following these hatches, isn't it, that are way in a clockwise direction, which is this one. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. So they're saying showing what? A left view of it and a front view with a top half in section. A left view of it. So you'd be advisable to start with the left, since it's diameters. From there you just construct a line. the left view of it. Since we want to start with the left view, so let's look at the diameter of remember we are busy with item 2, isn't it? So the distance from here till here is diameter 125. So remember that they said using a scale 1:1, using a scale 1:1. So item 2, so a flange item 2 showing the following views: a half sectional front view with the top half in sectioning. Remember of item 1, and the left view, so which means the outside left view. So left view, so you'd be advisable, like as I've said, to start with the left view, since it has got cycles. So we are going to say start with this 125 followed by 72 and followed by 48. So 125 millimeter, 125 divided by 2, so that to get the radius. So you are going to open your drawing canvas to 62.5. 62.5 is between 62 and 63. So since we are drawing the left view, so remember on your left hand side, away from your left view, there is front view, you understand? So you must keep a space for that. So I am going to draw this cycle, and I have to draw it dark, this one. So where was I placing my compass? There. So now I can draw a what? Horizontal center line. So this is the center of, and I draw a vertical center line again. Then from there, which one I can follow by? So which one? There is a diameter of 72. So from here till here is 72. Diameter 72, isn't it? So I am going to say 72 divided by 2. So that gives me what? Radius, isn't it? 72 divided by 2, I am getting 36. So you open a drawing compass to 36. 36 millimeter. This is it, 36. Then I come and place it there. Then, and even this one, I have to draw it solid. Remember, they said an outside left view, which means you are drawing in everything's supposed to be dark there. So they didn't set they didn't spoke about the hidden detail. So what is the next one, which is this one? So this one from here till there is going to appear as hidden, because with through this one, we through this one, so followed by this one before we come to this one. So this one is what? Is diameter 54. Diameter 54. So this one is going to be in hidden. So diameter 54. Remember that from here till there, it has got its own diameter, isn't it? From here till there is diameter 48, while from here till here is diameter 54. You understand? Sorry guys, I do not have the hard copy of this one. So 54 divided by 2, like this. So this one, remember how did you got it? Diameter 54 divided by 2, we got 27. You open your drawing compass to 27, you place it there, and then you draw a diameter. It's supposed to be in hidden. This one's supposed to be in hidden. Then it is going to be followed by diameter 48. So 48 divided by 2, 48 divided by 2, you are getting 24. Remember, the calculator supposed to be by your side from time to time. So it is 24, isn't it? There is my 25, this is 24. So this one, it is going to be dark or solid. There you go. Like this you go. So let's see what is left. This is item 2, so we've through this one from here till here, which is diameter 125. Then we through this one diameter 75, followed by this one diameter 54, followed by this one from here till here, diameter 48. So this item 2 of ours, it has got holes as well, so we have to get the PCD, center pitch circular diameter of it, which is what 100, so that you get the center, you understand. So from here, because you understand that it's also having these holes is throughout, actually starting from item 1 throughout till it holds your item 2. So it's going to be in the same as what we did in item 1. So it's diameter 100. So 100 divided by 2 is 50, isn't it? 50. Open your drawing compass to 50 millimeter. There is my 50, isn't it? So now I come, it's pitch circular diameter. So a pitch circular diameter is more of a center line. So that's how we draw a pitch circular diameter. Understand? So your left view, guys, is going to be like this, and we are going to have holes. We are going to have holes there. So we don't know what these holes, they are going to be 4 or 5, but as much as I am concerned, there must be 4. The other one, they were cut it along, you understand. So there must be 1, 2, 3 and 4 this other side. So when you come to view at this flange of yours at this direction, you are going to see them, and they are of diameter what? Diameter 10. Diameter 10, you understand. So they are of diameter 10. So you can have your stencil ruler, so you look for diameter 10, so that there you have. So it's going to be right here, diameter 10. It's a hole, and you come here, diameter 10. Come here again, diameter 10. The last one, diameter 10. So if we were given the question or the part list, that's when we're going to see how many are they. Are they going to be maybe some other ones, other 2 here, another 1 here, another 1 here, another 1 here, another 1 here, you understand. So we are not told. We are not told. The one that you are sure of is this one that they were cutted, understand, this one. But if you are to look at this item 2 of yours at this direction, which is your left view, your left view, that is why this one became how hidden, because where do you view your left? You understand? If you view it at this direction is now becomes your right, you understand. What is the question set to the left? So we are going to view it at your left hand side, which is this direction. That is why this one becomes hidden, because it's going to be hidden by this surface, you understand. So now we can claim to say we are done with item 2, because this one is item 7, which is the nut. This one is item 6, which is the bolt. It's not part of what we are doing here. So now we can approach to draw the what now, a half sectional front view with the top half in sectioning of item 1. Remember item 2, they also ask you the same thing, you understand. I can see somebody was trying to sketch the, understand, you must sketch on the separate paper. So actually they were supposed to be say at least a full, because this question is the same as this one, a half sectional front view with the top half in section, a half sectional front view with the top half in section, or thereby of item 1, but here of item 2. So it's still one and the same thing. So what are we going to do now? The thing that we have to do, so from this point coming this direction, because this is given in first angle orthographic projection, so my front view is supposed to be at this side, like as I've explained before. So I am going to have a dimension of 20 millimeter. You understand? Yeah. Then from there, I am going to project all the points of these cycles that are behaving or existing on the horizontal component. I will take all the circumferences. So I've took this one, take this one, and I am going to take the PCD, which is the center as well. That one you can draw it dark. So take this one as well, then you take this one faint, take this one faint, there you go, there you go. These ones I will take them as well, because I don't know what's going to happen in my left view, sorry, not left, front view. Remember, we are now drawing the front view, isn't it? And there you go. There you go. Like this we go. Center. Then this one. Then the last one. Right. Then from here, from this side now, from this line from here, coming here, going this side, I can now begin to measure dimension of the front view. So the very first dimension that we see, we are going to measure from here till here 16 millimeter, whereas from here till here 54 millimeter, you understand. So it's up to us whether we start with this 16 millimeter or from we start with this one, because from here till there, they've told us it's 54 millimeter, you understand. So do it. It's up to me along these lines, whether it's the center or it's this one, but let us use this one. So 16 millimeter, there is my 15, 16 is right here. So I can even draw it dark from here till here. So where my 16 ends, I can put a vertical constructional line, and I have another one dark here. So once it's like this, so now I see a vertical straight line starting from here till down there, which means even here I can have it. There you go, till there, you understand. Then from here, from here going this side, I can measure a dimension of 54 millimeter. remember that the 16 is included as well. 55, there is my 54 millimeter. Then I mark at the 0, you understand? So from here till there is 54 millimeter. So I can have a constructional line going down like this, you understand? So now bring this one. So we know what now we've got that diameter of what, of 72, so if we are going to have that arc there, so that we will be able to get this one. So the is the second one, because the first one is diameter 125, the second one 72, isn't it? So the first one is this one, the second one is this one. Remember that this is the center, this one, which is the PCD. So at this point, I can draw this. I can have this arc, you understand? And again down here, I can have the very same arc. It's not a sharp arc. If you are not given the radius, this is the method you have to use if you are not given the radius. But if you are given the radius and double lines like this are not allowed, Mina, is just that I'm drawing in the night and I am just showing you guys. So what I did up there, I'm supposed to be doing it down here again. But remember that the question said to draw the what, the half sectional with the top half in sectioning. So before I forget, I will have to have this line solid, you understand? So what I did up there, I am going to do it down here. So there you go. There you go. And this line, it is going to be further extended till this pencil, I'm used to this one actually, till right here. So it's going to be dark from here till right there. So now let us see what is the second one. Was the bottom part supposed to remain as an outside front view, isn't it? So it's going to be followed by this one and that one. This one, the one that we said is going to be in hidden, you understand? Which one is this one? There it goes. So from here till there, I am going to have a hidden detail line. Dark. It's going to be dark like this. And let us see. And then what is this side? This one, there it goes from here, there it goes. I trace it from there, comes here. No, actually it's not starting here, it is starting right there. Yes, so from here till there is going to be dark, so which means even the bottom part I have to erase it. There you go, solid like this. So which means even here I have to erase it just a little bit here. These hidden details, they're actually starting here till right there. Like this, they are starting there, not here. As much as we can see it clearly, it's starting from here till the, not here, you understand? And then the bottom part, this hole is going to be in hidden till here, and this one again hidden from here till here, you understand? So while this one is going to be solid here and solid here. So you can see, Uguti, it is very simple. It's actually very simple when you are starting with the the view that it has got many cycles. You understand? When you now draw the other view, you'll be just taking lines, constructing them like this. You understand? So like this, we can say we are done, and let us now section. We are going to section using 45 degrees. So the hatches of this view, they must differ with item 1. You understand? So they must differ. If the item 1 they were clockwise, so let these ones to be anti-clockwise. So you section here, section there, section here, there you go. Push it up a little bit. So is there anything left? If there is something left, let me down there on the comment. So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. This was mechanical drafting. This question it was sent by you guys. So okay, the first question, I don't know whether you can see it or what. So the first question was like a half sectional front view with the top half in sectioning. You understand? Of what? Of item 1. You understand? Of item 1. So this was your item 1, isn't it? There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Understand? So we're able to trace it, which is this one, which is this one. So now, so number 2, they said flange item number 2 showing the following view: a half sectional front view with a top half in sectioning, B a left view and outside left view, which is this one. So that was mechanical drafting. So thank you very much guys for watching. See you on the next video. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You understand? Subscribe and like. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Okay.